What's up? We are at the Republic, Missouri High School court warming, and we just got done getting everything set up, and we're setting our photo booth up, getting everything done on that, and waiting for the kids to come in, which should be in about 20-25 minutes. Wife is setting up the photo booth. Hey, wife. Say hi. So we're almost done with all that, and we'll just do periodic videos throughout the night and get everything going on that, and should be a fun night. Been about a month since the last time we DJ'd, so gotta knock the rust off. Peace out.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall